Hello, it's Wendy from Rainbow Creations. How is everybody this morning? Oh dear, I've had an absolute fit of the sneezes, so I'm all bunged up. Which is not good. Okay, today I'm going to be making, I need one sheet of paper. I'm going to be making a flip out folder type thing. So fold this in half. And we're going to cut up the middle of this. If I can say, I might just do it on the trimmer. Might be a bit neater. Because my eyes are still watering from all the sneezing. Let's go. Okay. So I want this on the front. So we're going to fold this into 3. And I want it that way. Just leaving about yay much there. And this piece is going to fit in between there. We're going to turn the top of this bit down. I like that bit there turned down. Just to strengthen it. And we'll glue that. These are really easy to make. Oh dear. So that's going to make a pocket there. So I'm going to fold that up there. Because this is going to be a flip down writing spot. And up there. Look very straight, crooked. Let's do it again. Score it. It's yeah. Let's just. Oh dear. That there needs to be a little bit shorter. That's what my problem is. Okay, now we're going to glue this bit on. 3 sides. Itchy nose. I just need something to make a tag with. Oh, this will do. Sitting on the desk. Yay. I'm just going to put this on here to pull the flip flap down. Like that. That's your writing space. I had it that way, didn't I? So what we're going to put on here. This will do. We'll tick it. This will hold the flap shut. Just put a bit of glue there. Glue that down. And we could decorate. Find a nice pretty butterfly to go on the front. Here's a pretty one. Excuse my sniffles. Why I had a sneezing fit. No idea. Oops, throwing the butterfly around now. And you can put I don't think it needs anything there, but I'm going to put something on here. Probably another butterfly. Let's see. See if I've got another pretty one. Pretty pink one. Here's a pretty pink one. This one here. Now I just need something to go in this pocket. Got this bag of odd assortments here. And that's going to be too tall, yes, too tall. I'll be able to cut it off a bit though. There we go. So it gives you writing areas here, a writing spot there, and a writing spot there. No, don't you go anywhere. You get back up on the table. So fold that up, and then that goes into there, and just glue it down on your book page. I think that's pretty novel. That's pretty nifty. Let's make another one. Oh, there's my pin. I'll put that there so I know where it is. So 4 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right down the smackaroo of 8. Pencil. Pencil would be good. Yeah, right. Can't find my pencil. Oh, sorry, that was the camera. Oh, I'm going to be girl and put it away. Just for once in my life, I put something away. No, pretty good at putting things away. Alright, we'll cut this one by hand. If you don't like the white paper on the back, you can turn it over in your printer and colour it. We'll do it this way this time, the opposite way. Yeah, put background paper, coffee dyed paper I should say, onto your it's got writing on both ends, doesn't matter. Alright, so let's make that our pocket. So we're going to fold this up. Fold it back down. And fold it up. Okay, just score that. Glue this bit down here. Now I'm using fairly strong cardstock, but if you were using lighter paper, you could fold the edges to make it, to give it some strength. Glue this down here. Just find a butterfly to decorate it. Okay, blue one. What I'm going to use for a tag. I forgot me. Good. It's sitting there waiting for me to use. So I'll just use this as my tag. Tab, not tag, tab. There we go. Just something to pull on to open up the flap. And another ticket to close it. In the middle there. I've got this really pretty purple butterfly that I'm going to put on. Oops, just a bit off there. There we go. That'll brighten it up nicely. But you can put anything. You don't have to put butterflies. You can cut out flowers. Whatever tickles your fancy. I think they're quite cute. So I'm showing you closure on both ways. So just go into your pages of your junk journal, and yeah, lots of journaling space. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for taking time out of your day to watch me. If you so desire, give me a like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'm trying to get my channel to build up, and leave a comment on what you think. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.